Let's now look at lesson number 2. In this example, we are given the abstract equation. The first thing we need to do is to set it up physically. So let's place two x's on the scale because it says two x's. The symbol plus means to place on. Since it says to put on an x, let's put on another x. On the right side it says x plus 8, so here we have an x and an 8. This is what we call the physical representation for this equation. At this point, we are ready to try different values for the pawn until we find a value that makes both sides balance. Let's try x equals to 4 and see what happens. If x is 4, I have 4, 8, 12. And on this side, I have 4 and 8, which is also 12. So the number that I picked first happened to be the one that made both sides balance. So please go on to lesson number 2. Remember that when you're given the abstract equation, the first thing to do is to set it up physically using the pawns and cubes. If it says two x's, you need two blue pawns. And then after you have it physically set up, you want to try different values for the pawn until you find a value that makes both sides balance.